3 years ago, I was drowning in debt, stressed about every bill, and constantly checking my bank balance. Today, I'm debt-free, have multiple income streams, and sleep peacefully knowing my money works for me. Here's the 10-step journey I took, and you can follow it too. Step 1. Face the brutal truth. I started by writing down every single debt, bill, and expense. It was scary, the total debt was bigger than I expected, but facing reality was the first step toward change. If you don't know where you stand, you can't move forward. Step 2. Build a why strong enough to keep going. I didn't just want to pay off debt, I wanted the freedom to travel, help my parents, and never worry about an emergency. Having a big why made sacrifices easier when temptation struck. Step 3. Create a zero-based budget. Every rupee had a job, savings, bills, debt, or fun. No mystery spending allowed. This gave me control and stopped money from leaking away unnoticed. Step 4. Cut ruthlessly, but not miserably. I canceled unused subscriptions, switched to cheaper grocery options, and sold unused items. But I kept one small, fun fund, so I didn't feel deprived. Balance was key to staying consistent. Step 5. Build a mini emergency fund. Before attacking debt, I saved 1 month's expenses. That way, an unexpected medical bill or car repair wouldn't throw me back into debt. It felt like a safety net under my tightrope walk. Step 6. Attack debt like your life depends on it. I used the debt snowball method, paying off the smallest debt first for momentum, while making minimum payments on the rest. Every time I cleared a debt, it felt like a win that pushed me harder. Step 7. Grow your income. I freelanced online, taught weekend classes, and sold digital templates. Every extra rupee went to paying off debt faster. Cutting expenses is powerful, but increasing income speeds up the journey. Step 8. Invest early, even if it's small. Once debt-free, I started investing, first in a retirement fund, then in low-cost index funds. Even small amounts grew faster than I imagined thanks to compounding. Step 9. Automate wealth. I set up automatic transfers to savings, investments, and charity. This removed temptation and made good financial habits effortless. Step 10. Protect and scale. I got insurance, diversified my income, and kept learning about personal finance. The goal wasn't just freedom, it was to stay free forever. The result? Today, my money works harder than I do. I travel without debt, give to causes I care about, and never fear an unexpected bill. Financial freedom isn't about being rich, it's about having control. And you can start your journey today.